Anybody should not be left behind. Based on this comprehensive approach, I can assure you that Japan is committed to cooperating continuously with our friend Kenya to distribute vaccines until each and every person in the country has received their full doses.
In the deployment of Pfizer vaccines, we are aware that once thawed, they cannot be refrozen, and when stored at +2 to +8 degrees, they must be used within 28 days. This places a huge responsibility on our officers, both at the national and the county levels, to make sure that these vaccines are administered as soon as possible to avoid loss of potency.